Did you know there's a cost-effective way to ship small items like trading cards, sports cards, and stickers on whatnot? It's called USPS First-Class Mail Letter Shipping, also known as PWE, or plain white envelope shipping. We'll walk you through how to use it, when to use it, and why it's perfect for your giveaways and flat items. For envelopes up to 1 ounce, it costs just 69 cents. Need to add a little more? From 1 to 2 ounces, it's 97 cents. And for up to 3 ounces, the price is $1.25. PWE shipping is perfect for giveaways in your show or quick sales like stickers in the Buy It Now section or auctions. But remember, this option is only available for live shows, not for marketplace listings. Let's set it up. Here's how to enable PWE shipping in your Seller Hub. First, click your profile icon and go to Seller Hub. Then, choose Shipping and then select Domestic Shipments. At the top, you'll see USPS First-Class Mail Letter. Toggle it on, and don't forget to save your settings. Now that your default shipping is set, let's make sure your individual items are ready too. Let's look at the item listing requirements. The item needs to be in the trading card games, sports card, or stickers category. The weight must be under 3 ounces. And it has to be valued under $20. Make sure it's a plain paper envelope, no clasps, strings, or wax seals. Avoid using cardboard, plastic, poly mailers, or bubble mailers. And the envelope must be under a 1/4 inch thick, without any lumps. The envelope must have the following dimensions. Length, between 5 inch and 11.5 inches. Width, between 3.5 inches and 6 1/8 inches. Remember, don't misuse this service. PWE is designed for lightweight, flat items only. Putting bulky items in these envelopes can damage your package, as the postal machines aren't built to handle non-machinable envelopes. Now you're ready to ship small items easily and affordably with USPS First-Class Mail Letter Shipping on whatnot. Thanks for watching, and happy selling! Visuals.com. Sign up for raid trains, seller showcases, community events, and more.